Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of struggling with outdated boat engine controls? Look no further than the Marine Outboard Engine Control Box DTS from FH. A game-changing solution that's about to take your boating experience to the next level. This incredible control box is designed to work seamlessly with DTS electronic control system outboard motors, providing a flame-out safety switch assembly that's both reliable and efficient. With its standard interface design, you'll be able to integrate it into your existing system in no time, and the waterproof and shockproof housing ensures it can withstand even the toughest water conditions. You'll feel the difference as soon as you start using it, with a smooth and quiet operation that's a major upgrade from older models. Many customers have already made the switch and love the results, with this product being extremely well reviewed by those who've purchased it. One of the standout features is the support for flame-out and safe power-off, which ensures engine control reliability and gives you peace of mind while out on the water. You'll also appreciate the easy setup and quick assembly, which saves you time and hassle. Whether you're a seasoned boater or just starting out, this control box is a must-have, providing a safer and more responsive navigation experience. Imagine being able to respond quickly and confidently in any situation, with a control box that's designed to improve your overall safety and performance. The Marine Outboard Engine Control Box DTS from FH is the perfect choice for anyone looking to upgrade their boat engine controls, and with its impressive features and benefits, it's no wonder it's so popular among boating enthusiasts. So why wait? Give it a try and experience the difference for yourself. You won't be disappointed. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.